Hello viewers, welcome to my channel English Cursive Handwriting Tutorials। अभी तक हमने आपको इंग्लिश के स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स की फॉर्मेशन के बारे में ट्रेनिंग दी थी। अब हम आपको इंग्लिश के स्मॉल लेटर्स को कर्सिव में ज्वाइन कैसे करें की ट्रेनिंग देंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वी विल ज्वाइन लेटर ए with letter B. So form letter A properly, then join letter B like this. Now we will join B with C. Now letter C with A. Now letter C, we will write letter C and we will make this stroke to join D. Like this we will make letter E, and from here only we will make F like this. Now we will write letter F. From here only we will make the stroke like this and we will make G. Now we will join letter G with letter H. We will write G. From here only we will go up and make H like this. Now H with I, and I with J we will make this stroke, then we will make J. When we will make I, we will go like this to make J. The joining line is this and we will make J. Now we will make letter J. Here only we will go up and make K. हमें स्लांटिंग का बहुत ध्यान देना है। लाइक लेटर K जितना स्लांट है उतना ही स्लांट लेके हमें L बनाना है। अगर स्लांटिंग में डिफरेंस आता है तो वर्ड की फॉर्मेशन खराब दिखाई देती है। नाउ लेटर L and we will make a joining line. Joining line should not be curvy, and from this we will make M. Now we will make M. This is the joining line and we will make N. Now we will make N. This is the joining line and we will make O. Now this is O. We will go up for P. While writing OP, we should be careful, like we should make O with small circle on the top. हमें ये सर्कल बड़ा नहीं करना है। अगर ये सर्कल हम बड़ा कर देते हैं तो ज्वाइनिंग ख़राब दिखने लगती है। जैसे कुछ लोग इस तरह से ज्वाइन करते हैं OP. This is not a correct idea. Now PQ, we will form P. From here only this is the joining line and we will make Q. This is PQ. Now we will make Q and we will make R from this. This is QR. Now R, and this is the joining line, we will make S. The joining line should not be curvy. If we will make R and S like this, it is very bad writing. We should be careful about the joining lines. R बनाने के बाद हमें एक जो ये स्लांट लेना है, इट शुड नॉट बी कर्वी। अगर ये स्लांट कर्व हो जाता है तो ज्वाइनिंग ख़राब दिखती है, और स्लांट कर्व नहीं होता तो ज्वाइनिंग अच्छी दिखती है, लाइक दिस। Now we will go for letter S and U. Sorry, S and T. This is S and T. Don't touch the top of T to the upper line. T should be shorter than the L. Now TU. This is the joining line, and we will make U. UV. This is the joining line. Joining line should always be slant with no curve. UV should be like this. Now VW, we will make V. From here only we will make W. Now WX, this is W, and we will make X. Now X and Y के लिए आपको एक ज्वाइनिंग लाइन बनानी है जो कर्व नहीं होनी चाहिए. This is XY. Now YZ, Y and Z. It should be like this. Now last Z with A. Now from this we have learned how to join letter A, B, C, D to each other. Now we will write joining of A to Z letters at once, like this. We will make A, B, C and joining line, D, then E, F, from here only G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. I have joined all the letters of English alphabet to all each. Now we can learn joining of 4 letters like A, B, C and D. Then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Then last X, Y and Z. This is the joining of all the letters A to Z. So now you can understand how it is joined. Thank you. That's all for now.